South India's #1 travel brand. You know you are special when you're with GT Holidays.
लास्ट शोएब ने क्या पका के खिलाया है?
आमरस एंड पूरी।
वाह! रूहान को अच्छा क्या लगता है? What do you make for him? Like now he's getting taste, right?
पास्ता। He loves pasta। मतलब and I'm very happy about it क्योंकि मुझे पास्ता बहुत पसंद है। Now is the time कि हम उससे मॉल में लेके जाते हैं, उससे पूछते हैं पास्ता खाओगी तो he does that and he loves his pasta।
But who's the more panic parent? Among the two
Shoaib।
of you?
Shoaib। It's Shoaib। In our family, the best part is that we don't overcomplicate things. Everybody has their own lives.
Yeah.
There are times when I sit and I say that why? I am not doing anything bad to anybody. Like यार शोएब देखो ना यार कितना बोलते हैं शोएब like छोड़ ना क्या फर्क पड़ता है? Who is happy? You are happy in your life. Dippy, you have to give it your best because it's your second innings that you are beginning. आप कभी ये नहीं बोलोगे कि ये मेरे बारे में क्यों बोलता है, ये मेरे बारे में नहीं। आप ये देखो आपके पास क्या है, क्योंकि ऐसे बहुत लोग होंगे जिनके पास ये भी नहीं है। Try doing it. It is difficult, but it's not impossible. Okay, when I cook in my house, I have my own comfort zone. I have my own flavors. I have my own comfort food, cuisine. But here, it's a challenge. I'm very proud of that every single lady, every single girl, every single woman who is in the house working hard to make sure that her family functions well.
It's taken me years to do this, but I'm happy that we are finally doing it because she is one person who actually is a consort battleship in her own right. I feel that she's so strong that nothing can break her, and why should it? Because, well, today join me for conversation is Deepika Kakkar Ibrahim. Thank you so much.
Thank you.
Thank you for doing this finally.
मुझे पता था तू ऐसे ही कुछ बोल के शुरू करेगा।
but it's the truth.
Yeah,
it is
it's actually
the
taken
truth.
you years.
But I want to ask you, how are you feeling? It's a new phase. I know when I see your videos, I met your son right outside.
Yeah.
It's been a new phase, but you've always been that person who's tried to balance everything, every role, and played it so wonderfully.
I think right now I am very overwhelmed, very happy, very content because yes, I had thought कि Ruhan, you know, 1.5-2 साल का हो जाएगा, then I will think of getting back. But the opportunity जो मुझे MasterChef से मिला है, ये मिलेगा ये नहीं सोचा था, and everybody knows my love, my passion for cooking.
Absolutely.
It has never been under wraps.
That's true.
तो the minute I got an offer कि मैं यहाँ मतलब इससे आऊँ 4 साल बाद, and the first reaction was okay. Then I got a little worried कि नहीं रूहान के साथ कैसे होगा, क्या होगा, ये वो, and then I'm discussing it with Shoaib and he was like, सब हो जाएगा. You want to do it? Let's do it. So you know that kind of support. सबसे बड़ा when you talk about mental support, your half battle is won. If
Absolutely.
mentally you know that you have people standing with you, you have your family, you have your man standing with you saying, go there girl, do it now, it's your
and not
time.
Just him, his entire family.
Exactly, you know, it's your time again, just go and do it. And he told me this, I remember that, Dippy, you have to give it your best because it's your second innings that you're beginning. And I was like, okay. So that, then I have my mom here, my staff is here. Shoaib keeps coming in the evenings and spending time with Shoaib and spending time with Ruhan. And Ruhan यहाँ पे इतना ज़्यादा comfortable हो गया है. So, you know, I have to give it to the production house also. They've been so considerate that I am here with a baby and I want to give it my best.
Space,
yeah, you know, they make sure that he has a clean, neat room. Even if I'm here for workshops, they give him a clean room. Everything is taken care of. So, yeah, that support is very important.
You know, whenever I look at both of you, you and Shoaib especially, and the family, I feel everybody talks about red flag, green flags today. I think the entire family is a green flag for each other. Like whenever I see this, yeah, absolutely. And you know, not many people have that privilege.
Yeah.
This is a huge privilege.
Yes.
And I'm sorry I'm saying this, but it's a huge privilege for a woman to have that backing from their in-laws.
Absolutely. No, please. I totally agree. And I am, you know, I very proudly flaunt it. And the best part is, मैं ये हमेशा कहती हूँ that in our family, the best part is that we don't overcomplicate things.
Yeah.
And, you know, we keep our expectations नहीं ठीक है, हाँ ओके, एवरीबडी हैज देयर ओन लाइव्स, लेकिन वी रिस्पेक्ट एवरीबडीज रोल एंड किसी को ना बोलने की जरूरत नहीं पड़ती, सबको पता है कि उन्हें अपने रोल में क्या करना है, सो इट जस्ट रन्स थ्रू, इट जस्ट सेल्स थ्रू सो स्मूथली दैट यू डोंट हैव, इट्स सो एफर्टलेस.
Yeah, you know, but I'll tell you something. Over the last few years, I've seen you guys are so patient with everything. Both of you, I don't know how you get that. That's why I call you a consort battleship. You're strong. But sometimes it's not just about the strength, it's also about being so patient. I have fought online and I used to feel like, why are they saying? I just feel that kind people are often targeted and trolled. And I genuinely, and I'm saying this from personal experience, both of you are extremely kind human beings. Okay?
Thank you.
Does it get to you sometimes that
It does. See, we are humans at the end, and you know, if I say कि oh मुझे बिल्कुल कभी फर्क नहीं पड़ता, please, that's not possible. I'm a human being, and there are times when I sit and I say that why I am not doing anything bad to anybody. I am living my life
on
happily,
your own terms? Absolutely.
on my terms, what makes me happy, and I'm just sharing it with people that maybe out of 10, if just one person would, you know, would get a smile on their face looking at my bit, I would feel happy about it, because I think we all live in such a stressful environment कि अगर किसी को एक मुस्कुराहट भी आ गई तो I'd be like चल ठीक है यार और कुछ नहीं किया, एक किसी को हंसा दिया. But having said that, yes, it is very important to be patient, and I think Shoaib and I have, you know, हम दोनों एक दूसरे को वो कहते हैं ना fill in the blanks. ऐसा होता है कि कई बार मैं कि यार शोएब देखो ना यार कितना बोलते हैं, शोएब भी लाइक छोड़ ना, क्या फर्क पड़ता है, who is happy, you are happy in your life.
He's
Be it.
extremely calm.
Yeah,
He's
he
zen.
is. He is.
He's zen.
He is. Yeah, he is that way. And sometimes it is vice
Ulta,
versa.
yeah.
Yeah, that he is like दीप्ति क्या है यार. Then I am like आप ही मुझे बोलते हो ना. Let it go. I think that comes also because we both always follow this कि हमारे जिंदगी में हमारे प्लेट पे जितना है, हमें उस हर एक चीज के लिए बहुत ग्रैटिट्यूड है.
Absolutely. Absolutely.
अगर आपकी जिंदगी में ग्रैटिट्यूड हो ना, तो आपको चीजों की शिकायत नहीं होती, शिकायतें कम हो जाती हैं. आप कभी ये नहीं बोलोगे कि ये मेरे बारे में क्यों बोलता है, ये मेरे बारे में नहीं. आप ये देखो आपके पास क्या है, क्योंकि ऐसे बहुत लोग होंगे जिनके पास ये भी नहीं है. एंड ये बोलने में ऐसे लगता होगा कि अरे सिर्फ फिलॉसफी झाड़ रही है, बट नहीं. Try doing it. It is difficult, but it's not impossible.
That's why I said it's the privilege.
Yeah, it is
a privilege.
It is. So
you know, the wonderful part is that मेरी मम्मी बोलती है, क्योंकि हमारे घर पे everybody can cook. Okay, the whole thing when I was growing up, and now my niece is growing up, she loves cooking. She had taught us to cook only not because of survival only. She used to tell me that Nani, my mom's mother, used to say that whoever can feed, it doesn't matter about how good you are as a cook, but if you know and if you want, if you have the desire to feed people, then you're Rabda Banda. In Bengali they say it, right?
Yeah.
So I want to know, you've always been that person. You know, whenever we see those videos, it's so heartwarming. When the show came, it was a given. Like when we saw, like, of course, but there's a lot of pressure and expectations.
Absolutely. No. Absolutely. Matlab here, you know, we came in. And when I came in, of course, people were like, "अरे इसको तो आता है, अरे ये, अरे वो." A lot of people, Gaurav, Faizu, सब, Teju, they all were like, "अरे इसको तो आता है." But today, when we all stand, we stand as equals.
Absolutely.
And trust me when I say that, because we have amazing dishes coming out from everybody, and we have the weakest dishes coming out from everybody randomly.
That's true.
So it is like that, because when I cook in my house, I have my own comfort zone, I have my own flavors, I have my own comfort food cuisine. But here it's a challenge.
Yeah.
You know, you are given ingredients which we've never seen. I've never cooked with that.
Which is which one?
A lot. I can't tell you now. You have to watch the show.
I'm excited.
ये नहीं पता कि ये पकेगा कैसे, ये कितनी सीटी में पकेगा, ये क्या होगा, मीठे में जाएगा, तीखे में जाएगा. You have no clue. We have done our workshops and we have been trained to come at a level where, you know, we perform at par for MasterChef. But then वो जो challenges हैं वो बहुत मुश्किल है.
That is true. Last शोएब ने क्या पका के खिलाया है?
आमरस एंड पूरी.
वाह. Everybody thinks it's easy. It's not actually.
It is not. It is not. But trust me, he makes the best amras and puri, and he does everything alone. खुद.
Wow.
मस्त, बहुत ही बढ़िया.
Wow. We saw you getting emotional in one of the promos, right? I want to ask you this as a human being, not as a journalist, from a human to a human. You know, I always respect my mother the most because she's balanced everything. She's been the biggest force in our home. Like, we don't know how to do banking. My father's bank work, my bank work, my brother's bank work, including, like, apart from taking care of the entire house, right? Sometimes I feel that they're not given that much of a respect. Your mom, you've grown up watching your mom. Now you, for a really brief period in between, you chose. That is a choice that you made consciously.
Absolutely.
But being targeted, do you somewhere feel that women as homemakers are not respected enough in the country?
Absolutely. I totally agree to that. I am very privileged and I am very, very fortunate to have Shoaib in my life because he is a man who will value every little thing
And
that I
respect.
do. And he appreciates, he makes it a point that he appreciates everything. खिंचाई भी उतनी करते हो. But that's okay, that's fun. But yes, I on a serious note, मैं ये believe करती हूँ कि you know जैसे मैंने episode में बोला, इतने सारे comments आते हैं कि क्या थी क्या हो गई है, खाना बनाती है. अरे excuse me, this is something I have seen my mom doing it, and this work never stops. Then, matlab, imagine we work, we go home and we sleep, but does our mom take a break?
Absolutely.
No. She might be thinking, अरे नैन का कल सुबह 6 बजे जाना है, अरे उसको breakfast क्या खाएगा, अरे दोपहर में क्या करेगा, अरे घर पे आएगा तो क्या खाएगा. Example.
The care and concern gets overlooked.
Plus
Yeah.
bills गए कि नहीं, अरे धोबी का पैसा गया, अरे धोबी ने ये कपड़ा खराब कर दिया, अरे आज सब्जी अच्छी नहीं आई, अरे इसके लिए वो. Matlab, the list never ends. It doesn't end. And it is something that people just say it ऐसे ही, which I am okay with. I mean, you say it. That's your call. मैं उसके बारे में कुछ नहीं बोलूँगी कि ऐसा बोलना बंद करो, ये करो, वो करो. नहीं, आपको बोलना है, आप प्लीज बोलो. मैं सिर्फ इतना कह रही हूँ कि मैं जो कर रही हूँ वो अपनी जिंदगी में अपनी खुशी के लिए कर रही हूँ और अपने आसपास के लोगों की खुशी के लिए कर रही हूँ. And I am very proud of that every single lady, every single girl, every single woman who is in the house working hard to make sure that her family functions well.
Absolutely.
You know, be it a working lady, and I'm not saying कि मैं सिर्फ housewives की बात कर रही हूँ.
Absolutely, anybody.
नहीं. The working ladies, वो work भी कर रहे हैं, वो घर का भी संभाले हुए हैं.
Look at you right now at this point.
Exactly. So there are too many things. All power to all
Women out
us
there.
women.
Yeah, absolutely. Ruhan को अच्छा क्या लगता है? What do you make for him? Like now he's getting taste, right?
Pasta.
Pasta.
He loves pasta. मतलब, and I'm very happy about it क्योंकि मुझे pasta बहुत पसंद है. तो when I started introducing solids to him, so I made sure कि मैं थोड़ा उसको, you know, I was like, यार ये Sunday को तो इसके लिए कुछ अच्छा बनना चाहिए. So I started with his version of pasta, like with wheat and everything. And now is the time कि हम उससे mall में लेके जाते हैं, उससे पूछते हैं पास्ता खाओगी तो he does that and he loves his pasta.
But who's the more panic parent?
Shoaib. It's Shoaib. गिर जाएगा.
South India's #1 travel brand. You know you are special when you're with GT Holidays.